to get our fingers ready for handwriting, why not get some different clothes on and practice doing up buttons and doing up zips. They're very fiddly, aren't they? And they're very good for your fine motor control. And if you can't do your goat up, go and practice that one. Now, to finish off our practicing of the ladder family in this booklet, can you see we've got some words here and they've got some missing letters. We've got to come up to the top to see what letters we need to fill in. Now, we can read the words first. So we've got j, a, p, jump, and we need to fill in the j, look, and the a of this first word. Now remember, the j is the same height, starts there and comes down, but has a descender and curves under to the left, and then we do the dot. And the a, second letter, it's the same height as these, start at the top, come down, curve, go back up, straight back down, and flick. So could you have a go at filling these ones in for us, please? So you've got the words, and you can read them together with an adult, and then see which letters you need to fit. And think carefully about the height. Remember the is tall, it has an ascender, and the I, when you've got to do it, the dot's got to go slightly higher, hasn't it? And so with the t, but the j, like we did, has a descender and the ya. Alright, good luck. So today we start the next letter in the rubber ball family, which is the letter M. So it says, to write the letter M, start at the top, go down, bounce back up, curve over and down, bounce over and down again, and flick. Let's do our new letter. So we're doing an M, and we're going to start at the top, just like the N and the R. I'm going to go straight down, bounce back up over the line, and curve over and down. But this time we go back up, bounce over and curve again and down, and flick. It's like doing an N, isn't it, twice? But it's important with the M that you make sure we always start at the top and we don't go like this. Okay, so make sure you start at the top. Start at the top, come down, bounce back up like the rubber ball, curve over and down, bounce back up and curve over and down, and flick. We do it one more time because we've got to really remember that we start at the top. Start at the top, come down, bounce back up, curve over, down, back up again, curve over and down again, and flick. I'm going to explore the letters with paint today. Remember, you can do it however you wish. I'm going to start with the N before we do the M, the N and the M, because then you can see how similar they are. So with the N, start at the top, come straight down, bounce back up, and curve over. That's almost the R, can you see? And then down, and flick. I tried to do that without taking my brush off once, so I can get the same colour and go over it again. Start at the top, come straight down, bounce back up, curve over, straight down, and flick. Now with the M, it's very similar to the N. You just need to go, when you come down, we're going to have to go back up again and down and then do the flick. So I get my paint, start at the top, same height as the N, down, bounce back up, over, down, straight back up that line, look, bounce over, down, and flick. I'm going to do that again. I'm going to go over it. So I'm going to start at the top, come straight back down, bounce back up, and curve over, down, straight back up, curve over, down, and flick. I might do it one more time and hopefully the paint will make that last part much more visible. So start at the top, down, bounce back up, over, down, bounce back up, over, down, and flick. Let's explore it here. So we start at the top. Remember the top, not like this. So it must be at the top. Start at the top, come down, bounce back up, over, so it's a curve, straight back down. Now this is important, you go straight back up again, that same line, and curve over again, straight down again, and curve. And if you notice, I never took my pencil off and I started at the top. So I know lots of you do this. And we've got to start at the top. So I'll try one here. Start at the top, go down, bounce back up, curve over, down, straight back up, curve over and down, flick. Do one more. Start at the top, down, bounce back up, curve over, down, bounce back up, curve over, down, and flick. Just look, can you see that all of these come down to the same place? And when you curve this one's also got to be at the same height. Okay, good luck.